Welcome back viewers. In the last video we have seen how to export packages install on your Arco Linux system or your Arch system to a file in your home username folder, and you can also import this list and install packages on your system. So for example, on one system I have exported the package list. Now I can copy the package list and I can take this package list. So you have to copy both the folder and the file. So you have to just copy this folder. Then you can take this folder along with the text file to another system where the base Arco Linux system is installed. So you can install the minimal Arco Linux system, and there you have to open the Arch Linux tweak tool, install the Arch Linux tweak tool, and then you can install the packages as per the package list given here. So that will install a complete copy. So it will be one to one, that is package to package copy. So exactly the number of packages that are on your older system or the previous system will be installed on this new system. So I will just show you how to do that. So already we have got the att export folder. Now when I click on the install pages, it will take this list, read the list and install packages according to the list. So it will check whether any particular package is there on your new system or not. If it is not there, it will install. If it is already installed, it will go ahead, it will neglect that. So I will just show you how it is done. So here you can see there are 1706 packages to install. So you can see here these all packages are there. You can see the different themes are there, Arco Linux. So this is it. This is how you have to do. And if you say yes, it will be installed on your system. So what we will do is, let us go with installation. So it will clean the Pacman cache. You can see here how it is getting done. $1,700 packages, so it will at least take 5 to 10 minutes to be complete. So whenever you try to install packages, first it will create the new list if it is not there. That also is getting seen here. So I think our file might get overwritten. Let me check the timestamp. So 23. So this timestamp is older. So maybe we will see after another 2-3 minutes whether the timestamp changes, because right now the timestamp is of the earlier video when we did the export of packages video. Now it is first cleaning the Pacman cache. And do remember that packages from AUR are not supported. So the packages installed via the AUR using the YE or Paru helper will not get into the list. So list will not contain the packages from AUR, and those also cannot be installed on another system. Now you can see the different packages are getting installed. One by one, all packages will get installed. You can see here after cleaning the Pacman cache, full system upgrade is going on. So we will have to first complete the system upgrade, and it will be done automatically. We need not say yes or no. The system will go with yes. You can see here how the upgrade is working. So all the packages that are mentioned in the export list all will be installed again. and you can see the status of the present package that is getting installed. So total 1706 packages. Now you can see here it is checking the packages which are available in the export list which we have imported. That is, we are installing the packages as per the list that we have earlier exported, and whichever packages are available in our system and they are also available or given in the exports list, those packages will not be reinstalled. If updation is required, those will be updated, but never the package which is already installed on the system will be reinstalled. Now, what are the different scenarios where you can use this? So, suppose you have got a system A, you export a list of packages from system A. Now that list of packages can be used in multiple system, for say system B, C, D, where you have got installed the default image of Arco Linux or any other Linux system, and now you want to create a clone as possible, as close to the system that is there installed in the system A. So system A will be cloned in system B, C, D. So same given number of packages, same number of application packages that are available in the system A will be available on the system B, C, D, whatever number of systems that you have got. So it creates a cloning. So whenever you got a big domain where 500, 400 PCs are available, and you want to clone each PC to be same as the given system, then you have to export the list from the given system, import the list to the other systems, and you will get a identical system in your domain. So for example, if you got a design department, you install one system, you install all the configurations, all the application packages, everything, and then what you will have to do is you will have to export a list of install packages in that system to all the other devices in the department. For example, design departments or all applications, everything you have to install on one system. Then you export the list of application packages that you install on that system, and then you can export that list and use that list to create a identical system in all the design department devices. For example, you got laptop, desktop, so you can create one system, install and configure one system, and then you can use it to clone the other system. So this is the big use of this, and of course this is also good for backup. Suppose you have created one system, everything is working, you can create a list of all the packages that you have installed, and then you can export that list and save it to your backup drive or something, and then whenever you install a new system, you can create a copy or you can clone that using the exported list. You have to import that exported list, and then you have to use this Arch Linux tweak tool to create an identical system again. So that is two main usages are there: to create a backup, to restore from a backup, and create a clone of your system again. And the other is to create duplicate identical clones in your domain or in your department where there are multiple hundreds of systems. So you can do your work very fast using this facility. So now you are seeing it is just about to complete the installation of all application packages that are available in the export list. Those packages which are not available in this system, those will be installed. Those packages which are available in both export list as well as this system, but they are not updated, those will be updated. And whether if the packages in present system are already updated and those are also there in the export list, those will be skipped. So you can see most of the packages it is skipping, it is not reinstalling, because those are updated already and already available on this system, particular system. So the packages given in the list are skipped. You can see it is skipping, and it is almost about to complete. And after that we will stop the video, and in the next video we will see some more features of Arco Linux, Arch Linux. Just watch it how it goes ahead. So here you can see some packages have failed to see the var log Arch Linux att. So now what we can do is, you have to open this, go to the file var log, where is the log, then you go to the what is Arch Linux att, and you have to see in the Sublime text. So here you can see it is showing some of will not be unable to get installed, so those will be shown here. So I'm not going in much detail, you can check this out, but this is how you have to go with the process. So that's it, I will now stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.